All right, I'm going to do a driving video for everybody. I apologize, this isn't going to be up to our standards as we're short on time here for the auction. We had a challenge last week with the Thanksgiving holiday and with weather. So in order to just get something posted, I wish it was going to look better than it's going to look, but yeah, you'll get the idea here. Let's take this thing for a ride around the block. So the engine temperature's cold. I'm going to be gentle with it. Oil pressure's good. It's running about 60 psi. I don't know that that volt gauge is working for the battery. Tachometer looks good. Now I'll do a little loop here. I'm in third gear now. Fourth gear. No clutch slipping. Fuel injection's nice, especially on a cold start like that. Let's see if this works. Oh, actually, I don't want to do it while I'm driving. I can't quite focus on what I want to do here. Well, that's interesting. I'll have to get that addressed for you. The turn signal stalk just went funky on me, and when I touch it, the horn blows. So I'll have to replace that turn signal switch. All right, well, here we go. We'll get it up on the highway here and get it up to, I guess, cruising speed. I don't want to hit that switch again for fear. That's annoying. Alrighty. Now it's recording me here at about 50. I think traffic, oh, there we go, 55. Yeah, no speed wobble. Just holding the road true. I'm on a gentle curve here, but everything seems to be fine. Yeah, definitely not getting anything out of that volt gauge because I know the battery's not dead, so. Hopefully that'll be what we need to see for now. And again, I'll get that turn signal switch fixed. There's something in there that's not right, obviously. So we definitely want to take care of that. I'm not too sure how that radio works. Power steering's nice. All right, let's get it back home. Nice having 5 gears too.